here with this bougie looking dessert. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. What y'all think this is called? And how much do you think it was? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Got the little paper around it. And everything. Oh my goodness. How do you get the paper off? Y'all, this was a sticker. Oh my gosh. Really though? Y'all, they made things difficult with this cake. Goodness. Jeez. Is that what the fancy you gotta do to be fancy? Be difficult? Alright, y'all. We'll get into it. Get into it. Look at that. Look at it. Look, look, look. So this is a key lime dessert cake. And they even have a little piece. Oh, look at that. I would assume that's white chocolate. So let's see what this thing tastes like. Here. First bite's for you. Look at that beautiful mirror-like glaze there. They definitely got that key lime flavor in there. Woo! Wow, I wonder how many calories this is. Because even though it's small, I'm sure it's a lot of calories. Got that whipped cream in there. Key lime is like one of my favorite flavors. I don't think I ever had it in a cake form though. Always a pie or a yogurt. This is a lot. Like, it's real rich. So even though this was delicious and nice and bougie looking, I wouldn't get this again. But y'all, I just got this from the grocery store. It just looks so pretty. It looked like it was calling me. It said, "Birdie, buy me. Eat me." So what y'all doing? How y'all feeling today? y'all do on a Sunday? So the cake actually has pieces of, like it was like a piece of white chocolate or something in there. I don't really like white chocolate. Let me see what this is. I'm gonna see if this fake key lime piece is edible or not. There it is. Yep. White chocolate, y'all. I don't care how many times I try white chocolate, I don't like it. He had some in some ice cream. He didn't like it. So while you're here, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and put those notification bells on. And returning fam, thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all. I just like how they did that mirror glaze. I want to learn how to do that. I feel like I got so many things I want to do. Like learn how to decorate the cakes using a fondant. Walmart actually sells the cake pans and the fondant and stuff. I like to decorate them apples, like them candy apples people be doing. So you guys, I don't think I've ever been to a fancy restaurant. We've been to like 2 of those steakhouses where, you know, they cook in front of you. It's probably the fanciest place I've ever been. My parents keep talking about Ruth Chris. My dad said the steak melted. It tastes like butter melting in your mouth, something like that. I heard it's very, very expensive. There's a lot of things I haven't done yet, y'all. And I have to figure out my fear of flying. I will never get to do anything once I get on a train. I'm not scared to get on a train or a boat, but a plane, I'm scared to death. Why are you laughing?
That's just crazy.
Why is it crazy?
You're not scared of water.
I'm not scared of water. Can't swim a lick. Can't swim. But planes, it's something about. It's just something about being in the air like that. Don't seem natural. That don't seem like. You know, I don't have a degree in engineering or nothing like that. I just don't see aeronautics, whatever, to deal with planes. I just do not see how a plane could just stay in the air like that. And we see them all the time landing around here. I got a video about that. Huh? And she's scared to get on the boat. And then when I started to see them, what do you call them things? Water spouts and water tornadoes. I said, I'm gonna be scared to get on the boat. And then water tornadoes.
What water tornadoes?
It happens. If you on a boat, sometimes they call them water spouts.
Oh, like a water hole.
No. Chill. I don't know. This fear, you shouldn't have fear. You shouldn't have fear like that. You gotta try to live your life. You really do. Start to Think about that. Just by looking at this bougie cake. It just reminds you of, you know, how the fancy things you haven't even tried yet. Do you guys have any fears like that? Or are you just a daredevil? I want to be a daredevil so bad. Like, I'm the person at the amusement park that holds everything. See all the people screaming on the rides. I wish that was me. Like, once you get on there, they won't let you off. So, can't do it. What's that stuff they be prescribing people? Valium. I might have to get some of that. Or people always say, get you a strong drink to get on the plane. I said, I don't know. I don't think I ever could be that drunk. I really don't. Or if it's an Ambien or something put you to sleep, I don't think I'd ever be that sleepy. I'd be scared to death on a plane. Did y'all see the Jacksons? When Michael, he was scared to fly on a plane. And they had to drag him and pick him up and get him. I said, oh my gosh. Then it was lightning and stuff. I thought I might want to fly on a plane till people that told me that the plane with the turbulence, it drop. No. That's not supposed to happen. That's not, y'all. That's scary. You might just sitting there flying on a plane and then just drop like that. And the pilot told me, we're experiencing turbulence. No. Put me down. I'm not getting on no plane. I ain't getting on no plane, y'all. I ain't getting on no plane. To find another way. For real. That was that movie 2012. I said that's the only way I get on a plane. If the ground, the earth is crashing down from underneath you, that's the only way I'm getting on a plane. I had to do a little bit. Y'all can have that last little bit. Thanks for sharing this dessert with me. This nice bougie key lime cake dessert. And I will see you guys next time. Take care, y'all. Bye.